Welcome to today's adventure. I'm LJ with the Adventure Stop, and we're here at Whitney Portal Campground in the Inno National Forest. And we're at about 8,500 feet in elevation. Mount Whitney is off yonder in that direction up there. Doing a little one-day camping getaway. Got my buddy with me here. Just set up our little portable campfire there. And you can find the link in the description down below where you can find that on Amazon. We have our little tent set up, but what we're going to do today is a little quick cooking short. We have a nice, delicious steak, New York steak, that we brought along in the cooler. I have a little bit of steak seasoning there from England. Yeah, I don't know why, just their seasonings are so much better, but I got this from a family member there in England that sent it over. A little sesame oil and a little bit of the teriyaki sauce marinade I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle on there. I'm actually going to use the little portable campfire kit to cook it. It's an experiment. We'll see how it goes. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go do this. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below and give this video a nice like and thumbs up because it helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with more awesome people like you. Yes, you from throughout the world. Hey, thanks. And although it'd be really nice to share this steak with you, buddy, unfortunately all you eat is your strict diet of dog food. All right, let's go ahead and unpack this. And so I know, these little things are made for fish, right? Well, they're actually pretty handy for using, look at that. Fits perfectly for steak. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this up a little bit before we put it on the grill. And again, normally I do salt and pepper, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit because I do like a little bit of sesame flavor, and this adds a little bit of saltiness to it. And of course, the seasoning has pretty much a little bit of everything in there as well. And yes, my friends, there are bears out here, so with even a little bit of residue like that in the bag, you definitely wanna put it away, toss it away in the bear-proof containers. That's a for sure. Very tall pine trees. We're trying to beat the rain. I think some rain is heading our way here, so hopefully we can get this on the grill. I'm gonna let the fire die down just a little bit, but yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a little portable campfire, camping stove. More of a fire pit, but I'm gonna cook on it. We're gonna see how that goes. So heading over here, I am actually gonna wait for the liquid parts to add it while it's on the fire, but for now I'm gonna add a little bit of the rub. Coat that up there nicely, press it down. Look at that. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna give this a little close up again. This is made for fish. However, look at that. Perfect. Can set it just right over the fire and flip away. All right, it's about that time now where the flames died down just enough for me to add it to the fire pit. Ooh, ah. Yeah, normally I buy the Kikkoman brand of teriyaki sauce, but this is the store brand I got from Albertsons or Vons or whatever. Add a little on there for some flavor. And a little bit of the sesame also. I do like a little bit of sesame flavor on there. And we'll do the same and turn it over onto the next side in just a little bit. And we currently have about 2 minutes in, and we're going to flip it on over. Whoa, take a look at that. I probably could have waited a little bit longer, but I guess we'll flip it a couple more times. Nice color going on there, a little bit of sizzle, and rendering that fat. I'm gonna add a little more of the sesame and teriyaki here. Alright, it's been a couple more minutes in, and let's go ahead and check on this dude. Ooh, yep, coming along. Looks like it's going to take a little longer than I thought on this thing, but sure does look good. And I'm using hickory pellets there, so it's going to add a nice smoky flavor to it. Coming along nicely. If you can only smell that hickory smoke flavor that's coming through. I can't wait to taste this. Alright, and the flames kicked back up a little bit there. And I think it's just about ready. Ooh, look at that sizzle. Look at that sizzle. Ready to serve this up. Ooh, look how, that looks tender. Ooh, that looks amazing. Of course, you always want to let your meat rest a little bit. It's still sizzling off of the, I'd say grill, but the smoker there. Wow, take a look at that. Pretty awesome, huh? Pretty awesome, huh? And there we go, my friends. Glamping at its best. Would you take a look at that? A perfect medium, just like I wanted. Doesn't get any better than that. And just a little taste. Perfect. Oh man. Tender, full of flavor, smoky, teriyaki. Oh, and that sesame. That's amazing. So if you like today's little camping adventure, give it a nice like and thumbs up. Do me a favor, subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.